State asida leiriba lainga ki mahisang singasi adumak sothana leiri lakadawriba chahi khara asida kanno hotnaminaduna lanai mahisang singa changdamnaba ngamnaba thaudang lawminasi haina Manipur gi Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na phongdokre Kumja lisingani kunmari kunmanga gi oina Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem amadi Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosem na loba High School Leaving Certificate Examination amadi Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examination da makok mathang taraklaba lenga ki mahisang singda tamba mahiroi singdangasi incentive piduna pukning thogatkre Department of Education esna sinduna Imphal ge Palace Gate da leiba Manipur State Film Development Society gi auditorium da pangthokiba thoram aduda athoiba mithunglen oikiba Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na hai Lainga ki mahisang singda tamba mahairoi singna hena hotnaningbagi wakhalon pokhannaba kumja lisingani tarani panda haudokiba incentive award scheme asimak yamna tangai fadaba amadi afabu khungthang amani mahakna makha taraduna HSLC exam gi oina grading system chatnakibana position holder laikhidrabasu higher secondary exam dadi lengak ki mahisang singda tamliba mahairoi singi laktagi position lawrakpa asi chawthok chaningai ni Education Department gi maikai dagisu angamba thakta honaduna hena afaba mahiroi kaya puthoknaba honaminasi haiki ngasi gi thoram aduda Kosem na loba Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examination Inglisingani kunmari da Commerce Stream da ahanba position takibi Kakching Higher Secondary School gi mahiroi Aina Naurem da seloina lupa lakh manga stream asimakta da anisuba position takibi TZ Higher Secondary School gi mahiroi Catalina Maisnam da lupa lakh mari Arts Stream da ani suba position takibi TZ Higher Secondary School gi mahiroi Sapam Langlen da lupa lakh mari Stream asida tara suba position lawkibi Khwairak Pump Croatia da lupa lakh ama amadi Commerce Stream da manga suba position takibi TZ gi mahiroi Khwairak Pump Jenita da lupa lakh amagi sale gi mana pikhe State ki thakta position lawraklaba mahiroi manga asigi mathakta district wise ki oina ahanba amadeni super position lawkiba punna mahiroi yankhai nipandasu mathang sitna lupa lising yankhai amadi lising kun manga gi sale gi manam piduna pukning thogatki Imphal tamna lakpada khudong chadaba chingi district singi mahiroi Taramathoina video conferencing ki kuthangda thauram saruk yahanduna district administration gi maikai degi sale gi mana sing piki
I extend my heartiest congratulations to the 58 students, 47 who are present here, and 11 who have joined us in the video conference. I am also happy to mention that out of these 58 people, 45 are from the schools covered in the school Fagatnaba mission. That's again a program launched by the government. The hard work done by the teachers who guide the students day in and day out. It shows that students all over the state are bright. They are just striving to achieve excellence. These are the minds who will tomorrow become our leaders, who will guide all of us, the next generation to come also. The award recipients are our torchbearers of tomorrow who will be lighting the way with the hard work, curiosity and brilliance. The more you work, if not tomorrow, if not immediately in the future, there will be a time when your hard work will be rewarded. The students in particular always remember two questions: how and why. Anything being told to you by teachers, you should always question that, whether it is right, how is it, why is it. That will enable your curiosity, your mind to flourish further and achieve brilliance in the future.